What's going on, YouTube? Chris here. Want to bring you all an update today of Litecoin. Right now we're sitting at $69.82. We're up almost 12%. And we're going to be looking at Litecoin here on the 1-day time frame to start out. We just ripped through a pretty staunch overhead resistance here, guys. So this is a good thing. We got through $67.45. This was the resistance area we were looking at, and now we will want to have a candle close up above that and hold that as support. That's what's going to be most important for us. The next overhead resistance we're going to be dealing with is $71.78. And that's if Litecoin can continue to push up through this 71, 78, because if it can get up through that, there's a nice little gap and window all the way up to around 79.95. The RSI is sitting at 68 right now, so we still do have more room to run. Typically, when we make big runs, the RSI will get roughly up to about 85 to 90, right in that range. So with us sitting at 68 right now, if the volume continues to come in for Litecoin, we definitely could get up through that 71, 78. And our ultimate high here that we would not need to knock out would be 84.44. And that's the previous area we made it up to the last time we were in an uptrend. Okay, and what you can see here for Litecoin, the higher lows are still coming in and we're making higher highs. Today, if we can candle close up above this area of roughly about $66.45, that would be a higher high, and that's exactly what you want to see on heavier volume. Another important thing I wanted to point out, people are always dogging on Litecoin and why I've always covered Litecoin. Big investors are looking at it. If you take a look here, Litecoin jumped 7% over improving fundamentals, grayscale, Litecoin Trust at 2,400% premium to get Litecoin. So guys, that's telling you something right there in itself, and it's something you should really pay attention to. And as we're looking at the structure of Litecoin here, we're still up above the 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200, and all those moving averages crossed over the 200 on the 1-day time frame. So that's important that we're getting these golden crosses as well. So we're going to be looking up to 71, 78. It's going to be the next area of overhead resistance we'd have to get through. In terms of support, we don't want to lose 67.45. That's going to be an area that we're spending a lot of attention on, paying a lot of attention on that 67.45, because if by the end of today we just have a massive long wick here and just a tiny body at the bottom, then that could show us we're most likely going to have some more of a retracement. But this is a nice candle today. Basically, almost from the open, we have a tiny little wick at the bottom, but this is almost like a Marabazoo candle, one of the strongest ones that you can get there. So, really keep your eye out on Litecoin here, guys. If you get some from these videos, you like me covering Litecoin, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. God bless each and every one of you. And I hope you're watching that video when we were talking about Litecoin around like 46, 50 bucks, right down in that range, guys. Here you go. Hope it helped. God bless. Take care.